Hey my beautiful sunshine gang, how y'all doing? Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, my name is August Nicole. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell so you will know when I will be posting new videos. And y'all, today we are going to be doing like an unboxing video because I got some mail. And today's video is brought to you by Lena's Lash Studio. And no, y'all, this video is not sponsored. She is actually a very good YouTube friend of mine, and her name is Lena Corinne. And I will link her YouTube channel in the description box below, and I will also link her website, y'all, because she sell eyelashes and she sell lip gloss, and they are at a very affordable price. And I will link all the information below. And her channel is about, she does like entrepreneur vlogs, she does lifestyle vlogs, and she even have tips on how to start your YouTube channel. So y'all be sure to go check her out. And y'all, let's go ahead and get ready to see what's in the package. I just want to let y'all know that I already opened it up because I just had to get a sneak peek of my new lashes. And I just want to let y'all know that they were the style that I got them in. I got them in 16mm date night, and these were $8. And then I also got the 13mm Boujee Starr, and they were $7. And I'm going to show y'all her business card. This is her business card right here. Don't y'all think this is cute? I really like her business card. I like how she got the logo in the middle and everything. And she also sent me a thank you card. So yes, y'all, it's really good to support these small businesses. And I'm gonna show y'all my lashes too. These are one of the pairs that I got. Oh y'all, these lashes feel so soft. Y'all, I'm also gonna be trying these on for y'all too. This is one of the pairs. It is the number 104. I like the little sparkling detail too. And I also got these in the style M08. And look, y'all, she even put a little lash brush in here. Oh, I like these too. Look, these are so pretty. And y'all, I even got some lip gloss, because you know we gotta keep our lip gloss popping over here. Okay, y'all, when I come back, I will have these lashes on so y'all can see how they look. I am back, and I just wanted to give y'all up close of these lashes. Y'all, let me tell y'all about these lashes. They are so soft, and they are very easy to apply, and I like the length of these, y'all. They are so, and they feel comfortable. They feel so comfortable on my eyelids. They don't feel like harsh, and they don't feel heavy, if that makes sense. And y'all, my lip gloss is popping. I like the consistency of this lip gloss. It's not too runny and it's not too thick, and it has like a fruity scent, so it smells very good too. And y'all, don't forget to check out Lena Lash Studio. And don't forget to head over there to Selena's channel and tell her that I sent y'all over there. So go show her some love. Go check out her business. Go see what her channel is all about. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.